Afternoon, Dave Fletcher with Cookeville RV and Marine, Cookeville, Tennessee. Today we're looking at the all-new 377 Montana High Country. Awesome new floor plan, something I've never seen before, and I've done this just for a few days. First of all, I want to take you around the outside. This is a front living room fifth wheel, which typically on a front living room fifth wheel, you don't have an overabundance of outside storage. But follow me around, I want to show you some really neat features on this coach as we walk towards the back of the unit. 6 foot long, approximately 24-inch deep storage here on this slide out. And if you're walking around the back side, we have a duplicate. This one's about 24 inches deep and almost 8 foot wide. Phenomenal storage for a front living room fifth wheel. Another really unique feature to this coach is the off-door side entry door. Lets you go right into the bathroom. Should you be outside playing, things like this, you can run right into the bathroom without having to go through the whole coach. Awesome feature for families with small kids. Of course, the High Country product is notorious for the simple to use docking station. One hookup will let you either fill a tank or do a city water hookup at a campground. Freeze guard winterized system. You can winterize this coach within a matter of a few minutes and a few gallons of antifreeze your own self. And of course, standard featured on the High Country product is the Lippert electronic leveling system. It is a 6-point leveling system, which you typically don't see on this size coach. Let me show you a few features on the inside. Come on in. Here we are inside the 377 front living room High Country. As you can obviously tell, front living room unit, 2 opposing sofas that will pull into 2 queen-size beds, 2 recliners. You can see down below we have the peninsula kitchen, 2 bar stools, great little breakfast nook. One really nice feature about the 377 is the overabundance of storage. Nice pantry. Typically don't have this with a mid-kitchen. Plenty of room for all your goods, your canned goods, your dry goods, plus all your overhead cabinets above the peninsula kitchen. Oversized 110 refrigerator, pull-out freezer, double door. Once again, just plenty of room for all your canned goods and dry goods. I want to step on back here. I want to show you the really cool thing about this floor plan is the loft with the master suite down below. Here we are in the master sunken suite of the 377 High Country. Loft for the kids is above. They'll have a ball up there playing upstairs. It's like a tree house. In the master suite, we do have a tremendous amount of storage for mom and dad's clothes. Washer dryer hookup, plus a nice big wardrobe all the way across the rear of the coach. Great for longer trips, things of that nature. I'm gonna let you pan upstairs, take a look at the loft because it's a really cool little feature. Kids will love that. Thanks for joining us today here at Cookeville RV and Marine. We appreciate your time. Come see us, Cookeville, Tennessee. Cookeville RV and Marine, your venture awaits.